Oh, I think the sign might be open. Yeah, I think I see it on. I'm gonna let Donnie do all the talking because I don't know. Oh, oh, and you go back there?
Yeah.
Guys, look, it's open. We came here. Boob license plate. I didn't notice that. License plate. He collected all of those. That's cool. Oh, is that a motorcycle helmet? I should ask him. It's because I wish I had my phone, because I would have been translating stuff. Unless I can use your phone. That's super cool. It's Wi-Fi. Time attack? Oh, that's actually super cool. You want to ask him if he has Wi-Fi? Yeah. Yeah. Look at this drink, y'all. That's so good. Look at that drink. This place is so cool. Zoom, my son. Do you ride motorcycle? Motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
You ride?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's awesome. The one out there? Scooter? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
We have to.
We ride too. Yeah. A Triumph bike? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. Like, so we ordered this drink. It was called the R357? Yeah. R357 original. It's right here. That was cool. Mm-hmm. I want to ask him how long he's like had this place for. Assuming I can.
7 years.
7 years? That's cool. This is awesome.
March?
Mm-hmm. March close?
Yeah.
How? Why?
Refresh and renewal. May.
Yeah.
Shop. Yeah. Asset goes.
Yeah, I know the guys here.
Oh yeah, he plays a lot.
Oh.
he plays a lot of the sim. This is really good. He's out there renovating. That's why we're renewing this. Oh, is that like a server you own or something?
No, there's a guy who hosts a bunch of those. And like yeah, have that like an auto live stream. So like anyone, like literally if someone saw this and had the game and everything, just jump in there and experience it.
Oh, that's cool.
So it's live.
So that's live right now? If someone's driving? That's cool. So they have the time attack stuff going on? And these are live players, so he's playing. That's cool.
Hello, Japan.
Wednesday.
Going for that week.
We're here for a Tokyo motorcycle show in Odaiba. So I want to go. Yeah. So we go tomorrow. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
4 years. 4 years.
4 years ago? Yeah. Is it a big event? Like big? It is? Oh, I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm excited. I love the drinks. The drinks look so good. Yeah, like I want to see all the autographs. Are you seeing? It's cool. Or like who signed those and all that stuff. So all the pro drivers signed all those right there. Formula 1 and all that stuff too. That's so sick. Yeah, go for it.
The remake in Sim. All the old V1 stuff.
Oh, HKS Hyper Silver. Oh, すごい。ティモレンジ。
Yeah.
ティモレン
It's
ジ。
Mokubo.
クマクボ。アマギア。
Mickey.
トップシックミキ。
That's awesome.
サブラ。
That's super awesome.
すごい。ムービー
Uh,
ライブストリーム。
live stream
Oh,
on have you heard of Twitch?
Twitch.
Twitch TV? So it's like if you wanna
Oh.
they liked it here. That's awesome.
Yeah.
They wanna come. Yeah.
Do you do drifting?
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe little, oh yeah. That's cool.
big sometimes. 3 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
my new team in the Nikko,
Oh,
Nikosaki,
yeah.
Oh, it's up there.
and YouTuber, he will be
Oh.
my friend Butcher.
Oh.
That's the RX-8. Okay.
No.
You're driving? Oh, that's so cool. That's him drifting, y'all, right there. Oh, that's nice. That's him driving. Real life. Yeah, that's real life drifting. That's him in the video, y'all. What do you have? You got a little. I got the little things right there.
New car.
Yeah.
Nissan Cafe. Jesus, I didn't realize how heavy my backpack is. I'm gonna take pictures of things off your back. Is it okay for photos?
Oh, yeah.
Simple.
Many.
Thank you.
This picture.
Okay.
Okay. 3 star.
They put his car in the. You guys can see that in the magazine. That's so sick. This guy's so cool, man. I'm excited for the steak. Now I'm hungry. You want steak? No.
Favorite wheel.
Oh, there's a steak sauce.
Steakhouse.
So good. That's good. So, I bet you've been to America?
Maker.
Yeah. No.
Study English.
Yeah.
Just now. I go to US
Uh huh.
next year.
Oh, okay.
I want to stay for about
For 6 months in Los Angeles.
1 year.
1 year. Yeah. That's cool. Why Los Angeles?
Los Angeles. This Japanese car JDM
Mm-hmm.
car like people lost.
Oh, they're all there. Yeah, that's cool. Where are you gonna learn English? School?
No.
No, just being there.
No.
Oh.
My study YouTube.
That helps. Yeah. Taking so good. Oh, so good.
Big surprise guest. Hot.
Oh,
Hooligan.
he's super nice.
He's hooligan.
Yeah. That's cool.
So fancy.
Oh, amazing. I don't have my phone. Frick, I have a picture with her too. I wanted to show her. I could show. Oh. So good.
So good.
It's so good. It's homemade. You made?
Yeah. My handmade.
So good.
Soy sauce and onion.
Very, very good. Very good. I made a mess with the corn. I really wish I had my phone knows I could just translate easier, but he's also wanting to learn English, so that's pretty cool. So it helps that he wants to learn English too.
Yeah.
So we're helping each other.
Japanese mango.
Very nice. Oh, those are cool. Ooh, can I
3,000 yen.
can I show them? Look how cool this is. This is very awesome.
She.
Me? Drip. One day.
One day.
One day. I want to learn. That'd be cool. I ride motorcycles.
Ah.
Yeah. I want to do track on the racetrack with
racetrack?
the motorcycles. Yeah.
Oh. In Texas is trucks.
Yeah. So the Circuit of America in Austin.
Ah.
So I've been on that one.
Oh.
I've been on that.
Dangerous.
Yeah. But it's fun.
My car is S40 and my girlfriend is S50.
You're gonna try it?
Can we try this?
Oh,
Metal?
okay.
You'll do it? Now he's gonna try the simulator.
This or this?
Did you make this or no?
This
You bought it?
my friend.
Oh, so it's like, is it custom?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
2019
Mm-hmm.
is online service is closed. Popular Japanese game, car games, for fast time and good driving. Yeah.
Not used to on this side. We used to get
Ah, yeah.
That's true.
Good
I
driving.
try.
I try. He's gonna do it now. Let's go. Well, the magazines are super sick right now. Don't you have some of those, or did I think you did?
Wait, that's his.
Oh, that's his car. Yeah.
That cost us. Doesn't make a good thing anymore.
I know, it does suck that this isn't going to be anything anymore, chat. This is cool that we got to see this. He said he's reopening in May, right?
What's he? So he said he wants to do like sim
Oh, like a sim shop. The signatures? You know?
That does like a name right there.
流星秋葉
Oh. Oh, it's signed, yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah, it's signed at the bottom. Streamer is tired because it's been 14 hours.
playing with. Did I get a sticker too?
Ah, sticker? For two?
Well, you want to?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's 60.
It was nice to meet you. It
Yeah.
was nice to meet you.
I go to Texas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can please take your picture?
Yes. Can you get one on your phone too?
Shop and souvenir.
Oh, thank you.
This is Bitcoin
Bitcoin.
and this Pochcoin.
Awesome. Thank you. It was very nice to meet you. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Man, you're so nice. I'll put them in the bag in a second.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. Thank you. That's so cool. Cycle bike. It's chilly. It's cold. This your car?
Yeah, no, my girlfriend.
Girlfriend car? Very nice. Okay, well, thank you again. I'm gonna hug you real fast. Thank you. It was nice to meet you. Alright. Bye bye. He was so nice. He even walked us out. He said bye. And I was like, oh. Au revoir. So if you guys are ever in Yokohama before he closes, go to his shop. Say there was the two fellow Texans. We made an impression. He said he'll visit us in Texas.